Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ColorBlock Jam on your iOS device. If you're looking to download ColorBlock Jam, the engaging puzzle game that challenges your strategic thinking and problem-solving skills, you are in the right place. First of all, locate your App Store on your iPhone's home screen and open it up. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and in the search bar, type in ColorBlock Jam. Look for this application from Relic Games and tap on Get to start the download process. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password to start the download process. Now wait for the application to install, which may take several minutes. By following these steps, you should now have ColorBlock Jam installed and ready to play on your iPhone. Just tap the open button and enjoy the vibrant puzzles and test your strategic skills as you progress through the levels. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.